Hi all, welcome to Digital Drilling. Let's update the new trending technologies. I hope that new technology, smart skill and trust are the priorities for the upcoming years expected by the corporate world. In today's trend topic, we are going to see a simple view with the cloud computing. So cloud computing, as the name specifies, we are going to store and access the data in the internet world. So I can define that cloud computing by storing and accessing the data programs on a remote server that are hosted on the internet instead of computer hardwares or on the local servers or our local machines. Cloud computing is also referred to as internet based computing, as everything are stored in internet. This cloud computing transforms the IT infrastructure into an utility. It lets us plug into infrastructure via internet and use computer resources without installing and maintaining them on premises. So next question comes into our mind is what exactly a cloud computing means. So cloud computing is an on-demand access via internet to the computer resource programs, applications and servers, where physical server and virtual servers, data storages, development tools, everything will be there. So these clouds has its own cloud providers too. The cloud providers also commonly known as CSP, cloud service providers. This cloud service providers makes the resources available for a month subscription fees or bills them accordingly how much they are using. It is like rent in a house, right? And we have different types of cloud computing. In today's section, we can have a deep dive over these cloud computing. So before entering into the types, let us see there are three basic layers in the cloud computing. The first layer is infrastructure, next platform as well as application. Guys, in the description box I give you what is IaaS, PaaS and CaaS. Already I have uploaded the video in it. You can just go through with it. So let us have a deep dive over cloud computing in various aspects. Like the main benefits of cloud compute hosting is that it has good scalability, it saves lot of money, instance, reliability, physical security and outsource managements too. And the cloud computing are mainly used in the commercial deployments. For example, AWS, microservice Azure platform, Amazon Web Services, which means AWS previously said, and also Google are the main domains which have a vital role in cloud computing. And talking about comparing with the traditional on-premises IT and depending on the cloud services, you need to select the cloud computing based because you have lower IT cost, scale more easily and cost effective, and improve agility and time to value. Which you may also think that is cloud computing is exactly virtualization. Virtualization enables cloud providers to make maximum usage of their data center resources. Not surprisingly, many corporate have adopted the cloud delivery modern or for the on-premises infrastructure so they can realize maximum utilization and cost saving of traditional IT infrastructures, offers the same self-services agility to the end users. So there are different services. Already I said IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. Already I have uploaded the video. Definitely you can see it. Then what are the types of cloud services? Basically we have three types: public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. So what do you mean by public cloud? As the name specifies, public cloud is a type of cloud in which a cloud service providers can make computing anything from SAS applications to the individual virtual machines or to bare metal computer hardwares to complete enterprise grade infrastructure and development platforms available to the users over the public internet. The public cloud providers own, manages and assumes all the responsibility for the data center, hardware and infrastructure on which its customers' workload run, and the typical provides high branded network as well as the connectivity to ensure the high performance and rapid accessibility to the cloud. Hence, cloud computing is totally like how we are using in social medias, like public as well as private, so everyone can view, right? The same thing over here, the same scenario they have posted over here. So public cloud is a multi-talent environment. The cloud provider data center infrastructure is shared by all the public cloud customers. In the leading public clouds, Amazon Web Service, as well as already said GCP, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Clouds, Microsoft Azure, Oracle Cloud are some of the customers which have millions of users nowadays. Talking about private cloud. So private cloud is a cloud environment in which all the cloud infrastructures and the computing resources are dedicated to the accessibility by one customer only. So private cloud combines many benefits of the cloud computing, for example including elasticity, scalability and easy services which can access control more secure and also resource customized on the on-premises infrastructure. So talking about private cloud, it typically hosted on premises in the customer data center, but a private cloud can be hosted on a independent cloud provider infrastructures or build a rent infrastructure house in the offsite data center. So talking about finally hybrid cloud, guys, already I have a detailed YouTube video over hybrid cloud. As per this video, I'm just again telling you a small concept about this hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud is just like what it sounds like. It is a combination of its public as well as the private cloud. For example, you need to give authorization for certain parties but not for others. So you can do this well with the hybrid cloud. The goal of the hybrid cloud is to establish a mix of public as well as the private cloud resources and with a level of orchestration between them that gives an organization the flexibility to choose the optimal cloud for each application or overloader and to improve all the efficiency and the cost of the cloud providers. So that's it. You also have one more thing, multi-cloud. So multi-cloud is like to use two or more clouds for two or more different cloud providers. Having multiple cloud environment can be simple using email for IaaS, SaaS, which is detailedly explained in another video. I give you the description below. Talking about this cloud computing, as there are three types, public, private, hybrid. Even though this cloud personally gives you some securities for data encryption, shared responsibility for security, collaborative management, and it also helps you for security and compliances monitoring. So that's it about cloud computing. It is totally internet short of things. So thank you. In next session we can see new trending technologies. Thank you all.